Do not start creating content. Yes. Now, I'm not saying this to you sarcastically like other YouTubers or Instagram regulars who uses that hookup line like do not start creating content and then they'll just start stating how content creation gave them this and that, what benefits content creation will give you. No. I'm genuinely saying this to you. Do not start creating content and give me just 15 minutes and I will tell you the reasons in detail that why you should not start creating content. First of all, I don't really know how many people are going to watch this video, but whatever I'll be speaking here is going to be very, very, very honest. And if you don't know me, I am Ishika and I post content related to, I don't really know. Anyways, this video gonna be very straight up forward video and I'll not do much editing here because I just want you guys to feel like that I'm just sitting in front of you and saying all of these things. So yeah. Well, today everyone is a creator, like literally everyone, whether it's Instagram or YouTube or any other social media platform, everybody is a creator. And you know what is the strange part? The strange part is there are creators who gain followers within just a month or like a week. Like for example, they post 2 to 3 videos and that particular videos blow up. Each and every videos they post that blow up and they gain followers within a week or within a month. Like from 300 followers it reaches to 300k followers. And on the other hand, there are creators who post consistently. Yeah, who literally post consistently. They put efforts on their contents. They just hope that if only their one video goes viral, but nothing happens. Instead of gaining followers, they lose followers. Yes, like even if they post consistently or continuously, the followers count remain the same. Please tell me the reason. Like what is the reason? What can be the reason? Is it the niche or is it the look or is it the camera quality? Or is it the value of the content? You know what? Everything can be the reason. Like it could be anything. The reason could be anything. And the worst part is when you will start analyzing, when you will start noticing, when you will start asking yourself why is it happening with others and not with you, it will confuse you more. Like it will literally make you frustrated, exhausted, and it will lead you to give up on content creation. Like you will question yourself every fucking time that okay, what I'm doing wrong? Why their release blowing up and why mine not? Is it because I am making videos on Android phone and they're making an iPhone? That can also be the reason. Or is their niche better than me? That can also be the reason. Like everything can be the reason. The fact that he reason ढूंढते ढूंढते तुम्हारा time निकल जाएगा and करने का जो energy है वो it will literally suck it and it will give up. Let's talk about the most relatable point I feel, because it is very relatable for me. Influence versus reality. We all have to agree with the fact that we started creating content. We started creating content just because we were influenced, just because we were said that okay, content creation will give you this, that, free का घूमना, free का खाना, free का पीना, पैसा पैसा पैसा, 20 वीडियो पोस्ट करो, मोनेटाइजेशन यूं ही हो जाएगा and तुम्हें पैसा मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, you will get financial independence and what not. I really wish it was this easy. Most of the people start creating content just because they are influenced by other influencers, because they're influenced by their lifestyles, because they are influenced by their expensive lifestyle, the way they show off in social media that oh my god, free ka khana, free ka ghumna, free ka peena, free ka product use karna. And the young generation like me, what does they do? They think that okay, अब 5 to 9 का जॉब नहीं, अब तो content creation ही करूँगी, सब छोड़ छाड़ के they start creating content. With the full hope that okay, it will give something to them as well. Oh my god. And also the influence part, I am really not blaming them because they see small creators, even the small creators who have 7,000 followers or 8,000 followers on YouTube or Instagram, they get brand deals, they get free products, they get commissions, etc. Basically, the fact that when they see that they are earning and they are enjoying with brand deals and stuffs like that, it makes them feel like okay, let's start creating content and one day I will also get brand deals and blah blah blah. So definitely they think that okay, if I start posting I'll get that too. It's very acceptable, and yes, that can really happen, but is it really that easy? I started YouTube when I was 17 or 18, I don't really remember, and I am still using an Android phone. I haven't even updated my phone because I promised my younger self that I will get myself an iPhone with this YouTube earning. Yes, until now I didn't able to gift myself an iPhone. And did I upgraded my phone? No, because my YouTube channel is not monetized yet. And the phone अभी जिससे मैं record कर रही हूँ, this is the same phone जिससे मैंने अपना first video बनाया था and मैंने YouTube पे upload किया था. I started my YouTube channel. I did not have any proper niche, neither a proper way of creating content. I literally did not do anything because I was just influenced by the other YouTubers or other Instagram reelers that they are creating content, might be can be vlogging or anything, and they are earning. I was deeply influenced, and that is the reason I started creating content, just because I wanted to earn money. So definitely I thought that I'm gonna post regularly. मैं हमेशा पोस्ट करूंगी, मैं रोज पोस्ट करूंगी, and I will be financially independent because YouTube मुझे पैसा देगा, मेरा चैनल मोनेटाइज हो जाएगा. इतना easy नहीं है सब कुछ. I made mistakes. Yes, I did not have any niche. I used to post videos on skincare, outfits, sometimes my daily vlogs, and I still remember one of my video blowed up. Like that video gave me 500 followers, straight up 500 followers. But वो video जिस topic के ऊपर था, मैं उस topic को छोड़ के like I wanted to start a new path of making videos. Like I wanted to change my niche from education videos to like my daily lifestyle videos. But I still feel like people, मेरे subscriber जिन्होंने वो वीडियो की वजह से मुझे फॉलो किया था, they were not getting fruitful result. That's why मैं जो बाद में वीडियो डालती थी तो वो उतना वायरल नहीं होता था. वायरल छोड़ो, those videos like hardly 500 views होते थे like अभी के वीडियोस में. And for me to get, and it was very like really tough for me कि वो niche को छोड़ के, because I was really not interested on that niche. So why will I make videos on that? But is it really because of niche? Because you will see YouTubers who constantly change their niche, but still they get views, followers, money and whatnot. Clearly niche is not everything. And then people say, okay, she's not consistent, that's why her video is not getting viral, or that's why उसको subscriber नहीं हो रहा. Video post करते रहो, एक ना एक दिन तो viral होने ही वाला है. Clearly once you lose motivation, जब तुम्हें ये फील होने लगेगा कि यार क्या सोचा था, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, जब ये वाला थॉट तुम्हारे दिमाग में आएगा ना, तब तुम्हें कंटेंट क्रिएशन वर्स्ट लगने लगेगा. लाइक लिटरली तुम्हें जस्ट वो लगेगा कि बेकार चीज है. तुम इनकंसिस्टेंट होते जाओगे एंड तुम्हें ये फील होने लगेगा कि लोग तो मुझे देखता नहीं, तो मैं वीडियो क्यों पोस्ट करूं जो मेरे साथ होता है. लोग तो देखता नहीं, तो व्हाई विल आई पोस्ट वीडियो, मैं क्यों वीडियो पोस्ट करूं, कोई तो मुझे देखेगा नहीं. Like this is what happens. Like you will literally start with a big expectation, and when reality will hit you, you'll feel like you will literally start questioning why is this happening and what I'm doing wrong. People say consistent is the key, but consistent with what? Confusion kills your consistency, because when you don't have any proper niche and neither when your video grow, तुम्हारा वीडियो भी जब ग्रो नहीं होगा ना, तो तुम सोचोगे मैं क्या ही पोस्ट करूँ, अभी क्या पोस्ट करूँ. मैंने स्किन केयर पोस्ट कर दिया, मैंने आउटफिट पोस्ट कर दिया है, मैंने व्लॉग्स पोस्ट कर रही हूँ मैं, बट कुछ का व्यूज नहीं आ रहा. तो मैं कंसिस्टेंटली वीडियो डालूँ, कौन सी चीज का मैं कंसिस्टेंटली वीडियो डालूँ. लाइक I will be consistent, but tell me consistency कौन सा किसका consistency का वीडियो डालूं मैं. You have still not reached the worst part. The worst part is you create a video, you edit it well, you give your full efforts, and then you feel like that okay this might go viral, and then you keep thinking about it. You post the video, तुम post कर देते हो वो वीडियो YouTube पे, Instagram पे, और तुम बार बार उसको देखते हो कि ये वायरल हुआ है या नहीं हुआ, कितने लाइक्स आ रहे हैं, व्यूज आ रहा है या कि नहीं. My days of this or mind that. So views आ रहे हैं कि नहीं. You constantly check that, right? You constantly check that. Now what happens is that one particular video, अगर उसका व्यू नहीं आया तुम्हारे एक्सपेक्टेशन के हिसाब से, it will completely ruin your whole day. डे तो ruin करेगा और तुम्हारा मोटिवेशन भी किल कर देगा वीडियो बनाने का. And there's one more thing that people on YouTube, Instagram, like literally everywhere, keep saying that stop consuming and start creating. Stop consuming, start creating. Stop consuming, start creating. Well, it's a very good thing that you're motivating people to start creating content. But the real question is, does just saying that actually help anyone? Just telling somebody like pick a topic and start posting on that topic is really very easy. Like it's easy to say, but करना क्या उतना easy होता है कि तुम एक टॉपिक चुनो एंड उसके ऊपर तुम वीडियो बनाना शुरू कर दो. Okay, you said that, but इतना easy होता है. People literally say, all right, you can show daily vlogs, show your daily life, like record everything that you are doing, that तो you can do. Yeah, that we can do, but you know what? लोगों को ना aesthetic चीज पसंद होता है. I'm being very real here. लिटरली आई एम बीइंग वेरी रियल हियर, क्योंकि मुझे भी वैसा वीडियो देखना पसंद होता है जो एस्थेटिक होता है. बैकग्राउंड अच्छा होना चाहिए, साउंड क्वालिटी अच्छा होना चाहिए, ये अच्छा होना चाहिए, वो अच्छा, सब कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए इन शॉर्ट. इसीलिए सभी क्रिएटर्स जो डेली व्लॉग भी अपना लाइफ भी दिखाते हैं ना, वो लाइक उसको बहुत एस्थेटिकली दिखाते हैं, बट सबका लाइफ एस्थेटिक नहीं होता. इफ यू डोंट हैव द परफेक्ट बैकग्राउंड, द परफेक्ट कैमरा, आल्सो द परफेक्ट सेटअप, be real, a lot of what you see online is curated and people always try to copy that. Start forcing their life to look aesthetic, something that doesn't even feel real, and then they say start posting and the views don't come. So now what? Then they start overthinking. लाइक मेरा लाइफ तो उतना एस्थेटिक नहीं है इसीलिए मेरा व्यूज नहीं आ रहा, मेरा बैकग्राउंड अच्छा नहीं है इसीलिए व्यूज नहीं आ रहा, फोन अच्छा नहीं है व्यूज नहीं आ रहा, यही उनके दिमाग में घूमता रहता है। भाई ये सब मैं खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में भी यही घूमता रहता है कि मेरा कैमरा खराब है, मेरा बैकग्राउंड खराब है, व्यूज इसलिए नहीं आता। Stop posting because nobody ever about content creation says the real truth. Only one thing you will hear from people or probably from the successful YouTubers or Instagram reelers that content creation भाई करते रहो तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ देगा। हाँ जरूर देगा, I agree to the fact कि देगा, content creation देगा and it's better than other jobs, but उनको reality भी check देना चाहिए। They should also provide them the reality check, क्योंकि people अगर अपने, मैं तो स्टूडेंट हूँ, मैं यूनिवर्सिटी जाती हूँ, आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, बट व्हाट इफ लाइक देयर आर पीपल लाइक लिटरली जो अपना एक लौता जॉब 9 to 5 एक लौता जॉब जिसके वजह से उनको अर्निंग मिलती है, उनका घर चलता है, वो छोड़ के कंटेंट क्रिएशन में घुस जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड, वो जॉब पूरा छोड़ देते हैं एंड वो कंटेंट क्रिएशन में घुस जाते हैं। एंड क्या होता है उसके बाद, जब व्यूज नहीं आते, मोनिटाइजेशन नहीं होता, सब बर्बाद हो जाता है, उनका लाइफस्टाइल बर्बाद हो जाता है, इनकम सोर्स बंद हो जाता है, लाइक सब कुछ, इट लिटरली गेट्स वर्स्ट। Saying start creating is really not enough. Without clarity, without direction, you will not gain anything. In the end, they are just stuck, not growing in content creation, not earning money, not getting that financial stability that they wanted to get from content creation. Like not earning from it, just lost in between content creation and reality. People should really tell them that not just start posting, but what to post, why are they posting it, who they are posting for. Like without clarity, just saying start creating becomes very confusing advice. That's why so many creators, so many micro creators start creating content and end up halfway. And उनको लगता है कि बेकार है, बेकार शुरू किया था. So after all this, the main question arises, should you even start? If you're doing it just for the fame, money, definitely, brand deal, then start. Don't start. And if you don't have clarity, so don't start. Because the moment things will not work, you will stop. You will stop. आप छोड़ दोगे, आप सेल्फ ब्लेम करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. But if you genuinely enjoy creating content, if you genuinely like to yap in front of camera or record your life, start. Understand the growth is unpredictable. Understand that consistency is hard. Understand that nothing is guaranteed. Content creation is not just posting videos and getting money. It's dealing rejection, confusion, and disappointment. Again and again. So don't start content creation thinking that it will change your whole life. 2-3 दिन में नहीं, 2-3 साल में भी नहीं change करने वाला. Honestly, after all this, I feel like मुझे always ये लगता है, I feel like कि I am going to give up on content creation because I've been creating YouTube videos for like 2 to 3 years now, and honestly I've been very inconsistent and it is somewhere it's my fault. I feel none of my videos have ever went crazy viral. I think that gave me that push or recognition. Probably मैंने कभी उतना अच्छा content post नहीं किया, and then people here say start posting daily, you will grow. Creators like me जब ये लोग ये सुनते हैं ना, वो frustration अपना hold नहीं कर पाते. Like speaking very honest to you guys, this is kind of a rant I'm doing at this point. Posting daily means nothing if your content doesn't have value. And honestly मैं अपने content के बारे में ही सच बात बोलूंगी कि I don't think मेरे content में उतना value है, उतना अच्छा value है. And probably that is the main reason मेरा कुछ नहीं होता, मतलब मेरा views, followers नहीं बढ़ते. The fact is I don't even hate content creation. I love it. I love talking. I love speaking in front of the camera. I just know I need to improve. Maybe in my content writing or maybe in my editing or maybe somewhere I need to improve in my content creation. But the most exhausting part is I don't know what to post next. मुझे नहीं पता इस वीडियो को अपलोड करने के बाद मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्या अपलोड करूंगी. I really don't know. So anyways, this video was really not for आप ये कर लो तो आपका content creation अच्छा हो जाएगा ये वो. I just ranted. I just spoke my heart out कि everything I stated here was really straight out of my heart. Whatever I felt about content creation, I felt like to share with you guys. So, and yeah, so if you like this video, do subscribe. Anyway, so bye bye.